Hi everyone, I just wanted to take a few minutes as we are getting ready to start week 10 to talk a little bit about the relationship observation assignments and how they will be connecting with the final project. So yesterday night you should have uploaded, submitted your first relationship observation assignment, and the idea is we will be collecting 4 observations on 4 different individuals who we have relationships in our lives, and ultimately we're contemplating and thinking about the cost and rewards of those relationships, because ultimately in the final project we're going to be looking at 2 theories. The social exchange theory, which basically says there is no equity in relationships. We value relationships based on how much we value that person. So for example, in a parent and child relationship, we value our children and usually are willing to do all sorts of things for them, regardless of what they are giving us in our lives. But then there's the equity theory, which is kind of the opposite, which basically says we want our relationships to be as equal as possible. And you probably see this more so in a work relationship. So when you see a colleague who may be getting certain benefits and they're doing the equal amount of work as you are doing, you feel like the relationship should be somewhat similar. You should be getting those same equity pieces as the other person in that relationship. So think about those things as you watch the relationships and you make your observations about material costs, material rewards, emotional cost. And emotional cost can be things that have to do with, just the thought process that you sometimes put into a relationship, how much time you spend thinking about the relationship. So this week, both observations 2 and 3 are going to be due. So you want to make sure that you've identified 2 people this week that you can do an observation for, or if you've already done them. And then next week we'll finish up the last observation. If you have any questions or need some clarity, please feel free to contact me, and we'll see you later.